Welcome to ETE MCQs. Now let us solve a problem in digital circuits. The question is the Boolean function f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation m 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. And the don't care conditions are given for 2, 0, 2 and 5. We are supposed to find the Boolean function. So it is we know that the number of variables is 4. So number of K-map cells is number of cells in K-map is 2 power 4, which is equal to, you should have 16 cells in the K-map. So we need to construct a K-map with 16 cells. So let us just construct the K-map. So this K-map will have 16 cells. Okay, A, B, C, D are the variables. A, B, C, D. So I am just writing the bit in gray level format 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. This is basically done so that the adjacent cells will have a 1 bit change. And you have a 1 for the decimal 1. Decimal 1 is nothing but 0001 in binary. So you have a 1 here, and 3 in decimal is 0011 in binary. So you will have a 1 here. 7 is 111, that is 0111 in this case. So this is 7. 11 is nothing but 1011. 1011 is 11. 15 is 1111. And the don't cares, you have don't cares at 0. Let us represent the don't care by x. So 0 is 0000. So don't care is a x. 2, you have a don't care for 2. 2 is nothing but 0. Sorry, 2. 2 is nothing but 0010. 0010 is a 0010 is a don't care. Yeah, 0010 is a don't care. And 5 is 0101 is another don't care. 0101 is another don't care. So 3 don't cares, and you have 5 cells with 1. Now we are supposed to perform the grouping only for the sake of covering ones. We don't have to bother about the don't care condition, but the don't care can be used if the product term will have less number of literals. Let me perform this grouping so that this one is grouped. When I try to group this one is also grouped. I don't have to perform a grouping for the sake of this one, for covering or taking into consideration the 1 and 0011. So you get the first term. The first term is nothing but, it is A bar, B bar. Now A bar is a literal and B bar is a literal. I am just writing it for your convenience. We are supposed to perform the next grouping for the sake of this one or this one. I can just perform a grouping. I can form a quad. A quad is a grouping which includes 4 ones. So you just try to form a quad. So this is okay. This grouping is fine. Now all the ones are grouped, and the product term that corresponds to this grouping is, since A and B changes completely throughout this particular column, CD remains constant, so it is CD. It is CD. So your final solution, as far as based on what is given for us, is F is nothing but final expression. F is nothing but A bar B bar plus CD. This is the option that is given for us. So option C is correct. But again, there is again one more possible way for performing the grouping. If you just notice this one, the other possible grouping that is possible is, I am just writing an alternate answer. This is also possible. This particular quad is permitted. This can be done. This particular grouping can be done. Once you do that, you will again end up with the product term with two literal. So that is also equally valid. So I am just giving you an alternate solution when I go for a different grouping, just for the sake of understanding. The other possible solution can be, this is an alternate answer, a different answer. But again, I can just perform this grouping. This I am just putting it in a dotted line just to mention that this is an alternative to the grouping that is performed in green color, because both the grouping, both the quads are basically done to group this one. This one can be grouped either with a bar, b bar, or it can also be grouped using this particular quad which corresponds to a bar, d. So it is going to be a bar, d, and this is basically done to group this one. And for the sake of these two ones, you have no other alternative but to group the column that corresponds to CD. So plus CD. These two are equally correct, but we don't have the option A bar D or A dash D plus CD among the given options. So the first option, the first case that is given as an option. So F is equal to A bar B bar plus CD is correct. This is also a equally valid Boolean expression. Again, I repeat, to implement or to realize a single function, you can have more than one Boolean expression. So obviously, you will have more than one circuit diagram. That is always valid. Thank you.